Welcome to the first day of summer, second train of the day, FEC's 920. Have a red block, red signal here, milepost 213.3. Heard him blowing his horn at Old Dixie Highway crossing. And there goes my phone. And here comes 920, coming around the bend at milepost 214. Check this train out. Oh, we got a train right here. Good looking train. Nice, quick, simple train. Nice looking local train. EOT and 940. It's BVT 609 here behind Walmart on the Florida East Coast Main Line. Have a safe trip to the crew of 210 and 920. Look, listen, and live.